When it comes down to it, every American Express credit card offers great rewards, but some are more flexible than others. So if you're looking to get a new American Express card and you want to get the one that works the best for you, I'm going to share with you the 5 that I think are great options that have very flexible rewards. My name is Rachel Esley, and on this channel you can find all things personal finance. First, let's go over some of the benefits of having a rewards card. With the rewards card, you can earn points for every purchase, which then you can redeem for travel, cash back, gift cards, and more. Another benefit is the sign-up bonus. When you sign up for a new card and you spend a certain amount, you get a big bonus back to you in the form of cash back or points. And another benefit is discounts at certain retailers and credit to be used at certain retailers such as hotels, Ubers, stores, gyms, and entertainment companies. It's basically like getting free money. And you might as well get points for your everyday purchases anyway. When you use a debit card or cash, you don't get rewards points, but when you use a credit card, you do. With American Express, they have dozens of different kinds of cards and they all offer different types of rewards. And I think these 5 are the most flexible and give you really great rewards. So first we have the American Express Gold Card. With this card, you can earn 75,000 membership rewards points after spending $4,000 on eligible purchases within the first 6 months of opening your account. You also earn 4 points for every dollar spent at restaurants around the globe and US supermarkets. You earn 3 points for every dollar spent on flights through the airlines or through the American Express travel portal, and you earn 1 point per dollar for all other purchases. With the Gold Card, other benefits include up to $120 in dining credits. The way this works is you get $10 per month credit on your statement that can offset what you spent on places like Grubhub, Seamless, and some other restaurants. And you get $120 Uber credit annually. There is an annual fee of $250 per year to use this card, but if you're taking advantage of the points and the benefits, then it's worth it. There is no 0% intro APR deal, so be sure to pay off this card every month. The next American Express card that I like is the Green Card. With the Green Card, you earn 40,000 membership reward points when you spend $2,000 on eligible purchases within the first 6 months of the account opening. You earn 3 points per dollar spent on travel, transit, and dining at restaurants worldwide, and you earn 1 point per dollar on everything else. Other benefits include up to $100 in annual statement credits for Clear or Lounge Buddy memberships, and up to $100 in annual statement credits for Global Entry or TSA pre-check fees. There is an annual fee of $150 per year, but if you travel and take advantage of the Clear or pre-check benefits, then it's worth it. There is no 0% intro APR deal, so be sure to pay this off every month. The next card that I like from American Express is the Platinum Card. You can earn 100,000 membership rewards points when you spend just $6,000 in the first 6 months. You earn 5 points per dollar spent on airfare booked directly with airlines or through the Amex travel portal. You also earn 5 points for every dollar spent on eligible hotels booked through the Amex travel portal, and you earn 1 point for every dollar spent on all other purchases. This card does charge an annual fee of $695 per year, but it can be totally worth it if you travel a lot and if you take advantage of all the other benefits it comes with and all the statement credits it comes with. You get $200 in annual Uber credits, you get up to $200 in airline fee credits per year, and have access to over 1,000 airport lounges worldwide. You get $200 in hotel credits, you get a $155 credit for Walmart Plus, you get $240 in digital entertainment credit for companies like Disney Plus, Hulu, Peacock, ESPN, New York Times, Audible, Sirius XM. You get a $300 Equinox credit every year, a $300 Soul Cycle credit, a $189 Clear credit, a $100 Saks credit. You get up to $800 in cell phone protection covering theft and damage, so you don't have to pay extra for cell phone insurance with your cell phone carrier. Just make sure that you're paying your cell phone bill with the Platinum Card. And there's a ton of other benefits. This card does not come with a 0% intro APR APR deal, so you know the drill, pay it off every month. You typically need a credit score of around 700 to get approved for this card, so be sure you have that before you apply. This next card is a bit easier to be approved for. You just need a credit score of around 670, and that's the Amex Everyday Preferred Card. You can earn up to 15,000 membership rewards points by spending just $2,000 in the first 6 months of opening your account. You get 3 points for every dollar spent at US supermarkets up to $6,000. Then it turns to 1 point per dollar spent. You get 2 points per dollar spent at all US gas stations, and you get 1 point per every dollar spent on all other purchases. Plus, you earn 50% bonus points when you use the card 30 times or more each billing cycle. There is an annual fee of $95 per year, but this one does come with a 0% intro APR deal for the first 12 months. So this means you really only have to pay the minimum payment every month for the first 12 months without accruing any interest, but be sure to be responsible with this. And the last card I want to share with you also gets you 0% intro APR for the first 15 months, and it has no annual fee, and that's the Amex Everyday Credit Card. You can earn 10,000 membership rewards points by spending just $2,000 in the first 6 months, and you earn 2 points for every dollar spent on US grocery stores up to $6,000. You get 2 points for every dollar spent on eligible travel purchases through the Amex travel portal, and you get 1 point per dollar spent on all other purchases. Other benefits include car rental insurance, including coverage for damages as long as you use the card. You get access to the Global Assist hotline when you're traveling more than 100 miles from home, and you get shopping discounts at membershiprewards.com. With the Amex Everyday Preferred Credit Card, you also get car rental loss and damage insurance. So you can use the membership rewards points to rent a car and then get free insurance on it. And you get 24/7 access to the Global Assist hotline. So if you're traveling more than 100 miles from home and you have an emergency, you can call them and they'll help you with medical and legal referrals, emergency cash wires, and missing luggage assistance. So it's kind of like having extra insurance. If you're interested in applying for any of these cards, you can use my referral link in the description below. Rewards cards offer a variety of benefits that can save you money and make your life easier. American Express rewards cards can also help you build credit. If you use the card and pay it off every month, then this is going to help increase your credit score over time. And the good news is that you don't have to pick just one of these cards. You can get them all. Now, I don't recommend applying for them all at once, but you can do something called credit card churning, where you sign up for one, spend the minimum spend, get the bonus rewards points, keep the card for 3 to 6 months using it, and then apply for the next one and keep getting those sign-up bonuses. There are other American Express cards that are used for travel or for business purposes, but these 5 cards I think have a great flexibility when it comes to the rewards. You're getting points back on all your purchases, and if you use these points for travel, they're actually worth more than just getting a statement credit or cash back. Let me know in the comments below if you have any of these cards or if you're gonna apply for any of these cards. And if you learned something in this video, be sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.